Yung difference lang naman niya is yung notch naman dito and then yung bulkiness ng kanyang camera. Hello mga guys, this is Will. Welcome back to another video, and today's video we're going to unbox, actually na-unbox na siya. We're going to unbox another product from Apple, which is from Globe, courtesy from Globe kasi 2 years again tayo na nag-renew ng ating phone, and now we're going to unbox a new iPhone, which is the iPhone 15 Pro Max 256GB. This color is the new color, which is the Platinum Titanium White. Let's get into the video. So now guys, actually guys, this iPhone is already been open doon sa store. Hindi na tayo nagagalito kasi already open na siya for verification and also for defect check. And now are going to show you the overview of this phone. So we have here the iPhone 15 Pro Max, this 258GB natural. Ayan, natural. Tawag dito, natural lang daw. Natural ano? Which is wala siya nakalagay, basta natural lang. Natural color or the Platinum Natural Titanium. Ayan. So, ayun na guys. So, here it is guys. If you're going to compare iPhone 13 saka 15, same lang din sila. Medyo mabigat lang yung 13 and medyo magaan yung 15. We have here in the box the modules and then the stickers. And now guys, instead of having the old one, which is hindi ko alam, ito yung original talaga. Ayan. Ano na siya? Type C na siya. And then one thing guys, yung bago nilang cord ng charger, hindi na siya dati yung parang plasticky or rubbery ngayon guys. Basta hindi na siya yung parang ano na siya, may cloth na siya. Ayun. So yung issue kanina guys, nung open ito, maano siya, mainit. And then, if you can see guys, pag na-close siya natin, hindi siya gaano nagko-close talaga. Like, black. Like, this one. Ayan, black talaga siya. Ito, pag na-open mo, ganyan, and then mag-close mo, nakikita mo pa din siya. And then, nung nag-unbox to, and then nag-reboot and set up, mainit siya dito. Ewan ko, if anong problema, if there's something wrong with it. Sabi ng rep doon, if ever na magkaroon ng still the same issue, like umiinit talaga siya for 3 executive pagcha-charge, like i-drain down natin, and then after draining, ita-charge, then after charge, i-drain ulit for 3 times. If ever daw na magkaroon ng init pa din siya, so they're going to replace it. Pero now guys, there's no mainit ngayon. I don't know, I'm going to process it for 3 days siguro, and I'm going to update you guys. I don't know if I'm going to update you or not kasi parang okay naman siya ngayon. Ayan guys, just included. So yung atin guys is 125, 126, 120, basta 12 plus 124, nalimutan ko na. And then this one is 256. Ayan, actually na-open na siya. In-open ko lang ulit sa inyo guys. So, ang difference naman nito guys, yung notch shabels. Ayan yung notch. Ayan, medyo malayo na siya. If you compare the weight, yeah, more lightweight, and then yung difference lang naman niya is yung notch naman dito, and then yung bulkiness ng kanyang camera. Kasi if you compare the bulkiness ng camera ng isa, hindi siya ganyang ka-bulk. Ayan. Ito, emphasize talaga. Ito lang, oh. Hindi naman ako gaanong very techy, like in detailed, but I can show you the fanciness of my content here. And yeah. And oo, nag-renew tayo ng plan natin for 2 years. So every 2 years tayo guys, nag-change ng phone. Yun lang. Yabang ko na. Guys, look oh. Astig ng ano nila. Check ko lang. So, ayan guys. I am setting up my account. To transfer na siya. Kasi new phone na siya kasi. So, transferring everything.
Punta namin dito. We can't do that.
So, yung iPhone na to is ibibigay ko sa kapatid ko is it's December 20. Kahapon siya namin na December 19. Supposed to be sa 22 siya namin kukunin. And supposedly, next year pa sana, January 12. Kaso lang, parang nag-offer yung Globe na, Sir, pwede nyo nang ma-renew in earliest basta mag-down payment na ng 600 pesos. So, nagbayad kami ng 600 pesos for the renewal, for the reservation. And then, ayun guys, ito na. Nandito na siya. Yung gusto ko sana is yung dark blue. Pero, na-release na yung dark blue before. Way back iPhone 12. So, pinalaki lang siya. So, bukas guys, if may pera tayo bukas, I'm going to buy the case with MagSafe. Ayan. So, we're going to transfer in a while guys. And then, that's all for today's video. And wala na naman. Pinakita ko lang sa inyo. And makakalaro na ako ng Mobile Legend talaga. Kasi dito, ayan, nafu-full na siya guys. So, ngayon, we're going to play Mobile Legends. And yes guys, thank you guys very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and Twitch account. And see you on my next vlog. Adios, mi amigos. Peace out. Bye!
I got deja vu when I saw you at a table at a road spot set for two. With that look in your eye when you smile like you always do. But this time it wasn't me that was sitting there next to you.